Let's bring things back home at the debt and currencies market, and Bankole Odusoya, head fixed income at UBA, is on the phone to analyze the day's activities. Good morning, Bankole. So the DMA yesterday issued its buying offer circular for the May 2020 bond auction, making no changes to the 60 billion naira offer across three maturities. How are dealers taking that notice?
Good morning, BC. Thank you. Honestly, that bond offer circular looks more like a formality. What happened last month is it's a pointer to what could happen this month again. 20 billion was offered of 2023, 2035, and 2050 bonds each, but last month 260 billion was sold. That's 200 billion more than the amount that was offered. With 850 billion additional debt being converted to local borrowing, we expect the DMO to sell more again this month. So what has happened in the secondary market was that we saw some sales of 2023, one of the bonds which is supposed to be reissued next week. We expect that trend to continue going into next week on even the long end 2049, even though it's not on auction. But we expect basically some sell-off with the plan to recoup or buy back at the auction next week at a higher yield. The last auction had stop rates at 9, 12, and 12.5.
Now, at the Treasury bill space, we saw a second consecutive session of well-bidded almost from local players and offshore investors yesterday. What's fueling that sentiment? At Fixed Income at UB, Bankole Odusoya, thanks for speaking with us. And that's where we end today's program. Thank you for watching. I am BC Adebayo.